Alright, so I need to take the door panel off the driver's side, whatever, and I've never done this on this model car, the 2007 Monte Carlo SS, so I'll see how it goes. You need a T30 Torx tool, you need the puller for the door, Phillips screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver. So let's see how it goes. The first Phillips screw is right here. You undo that, just like that.
The second one is right in here on the handle. I'm not using a magnetic tip screwdriver, which I should be, so it's probably going to fall out. But there you go. And this is going to come out, and then there's going to be an electrical little box for the power windows that you need to pop out. So let's see. I haven't done this before, so. There we go. So it's probably going to fall out.
There you go, it's out. There's this piece, put it down. Okay, next is the, you need the Torx T30, and they are right here.
Get the Torx out. There we go. There's one. Oops, and the second one. The Torx, there's that piece. Okay, next. Oops, and the second one. The Torx.
Oops, and the second one. Try to pop them, you know, try not to break anything, obviously. There you go. This right here is just a reflector. There's no light in there, so you don't need to worry about taking that out.
And show you what it looks like.
Okay, so the reason I did this is my speaker has been shorting out, so I need to find if it's just speaker wire that I need to, if it's a bad, you know, connection or anything, but this is what it did. And some wiring. There's the speaker wire right there, actually. So I'm gonna see if I can address that, but pretty easy. Just be careful and use the tools that I used, and you know, the worst thing that can happen is, you know, breaking the tab. So luckily that didn't happen. I've never done it on this car before, so everything went good. All right. One last thing that wasn't mentioned in any other videos I saw about doing this, there's a screw that goes up in here. You can't really see. Let me see. But that's why this is a little bit loose. I can't get it in, unfortunately, because I think the people who took the door out before ripped it out because it just won't go in. But that's something to remember too. There's a little screw, a Phillips head screw inside there that you need to take out as well, right above the Torx. As you can see, it's working now. It was just a bad connection and not enough wire, speaker wire on the connector. So, finished.